Yes,
Okay. Mr. Jackson, who owns MJJ Productions?
I do.
Okay. And who do you work for, Mr. Jackson?
Who do I work for?
Yes.
Well, I work for myself.
Are you under contract with any company?
Yes.
And what's the name of that company?
The company that I'm under contract with, as far as records, is Sony Music.
Okay. Now, Mr. Jackson, can you read sheet music? If a song is written out into sheet music form, can you read sheet music?
No, I don't. Neither did Lennon and McCartney.
Okay.
It's not
And
necessary.
Mr. Jackson, can you write sheet music? Can you write out the notes in the form of sheet music?
No, I do not do that. It's not necessary.
Okay. Did you record all of the vocals during the Dangerous, in one recording during the Dangerous session? When you were recording Dangerous, I'm sorry, let me restate that. When you were recording Dangerous, did you record the vocals only once?
The Dangerous that we just heard, or the one on the Dangerous
During the
album?
recording session for the Dangerous album, did you record the vocals only once?
Just once that I can remember of the demo.
So you recorded the vocals only once?
Yes.
Could you please refer to Defendant's Exhibit A19? Mr. Jackson, just to let you know, this is the Ocean Way recording track sheet that your counsel has entered into evidence. If you turn to
No, we
page...
haven't, Your Honor, I don't believe.
A19.
I don't care, I don't think we have.
Well, at any rate, Ms. Eberhardt, it's improper for you to be telling witnesses what it is. If you want to, you can ask him what it is, but don't tell witnesses what anything is.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, do you want it handed to him as he's got it in front of him? Go.
Do you have it in front of you, Mr.
Yes.
Jackson? Thank
Yes.
you. Do you know what this document purports to be?
Yes.
What is it, Mr. Jackson?
It's a track sheet
From...
for the
No,
song
I'm sorry, Mr. Jackson. Where's the track sheet from?
Ocean Way
Okay.
Recording Studios.
And what's the track sheet for?
Well, it's for the song Dangerous.
Okay. If you turn to page 2 of the exhibit, what is indicated in tracks 1 through 6?
What is indicated?
In tracks 1 through 6, is anything written in those track boxes?
No.
Okay. Are you on page 2?
Well, how are they numbered here? I see 20.
The second page into the exhibit.
Okay, 2. Yes.
Do you see the boxes that have track 1 listed at the track? Top,
Yes.
Track 2?
Yes.
What's located in those 6 tracks?
Well, I'm not a technical engineer, but those tracks look like they're open for something that could be used. It happens all the
Okay.
time in the studio.
I'm sorry, we're not on the same page. My second page of exhibit number 2
What is it?
has something written in tracks 1 through 6.
Number 2.
What's
How
at
are
the
they
bottom of your
numbered?
page?
It says,
At the bottom of the page, 21 is written.
okay, 21.
Are you
okay.
on the same page as
Yes.
I am now? Thank
Yes.
you,
That's the
Mr.
third
Jackson.
page of the exhibit.
Yeah, that's it.
Now, tracks 1 through 6, what is written in those boxes?
It says vocal. These are vocal parts.
Are there dates at the bottom?
I'm not sure. Looks like
What's
it.
written at the bottom?
Looks
Mr.
like it to
Jackson?
me.
Okay. What's written at the bottom?
On the first track, it says 2-191.
Okay.
Continue.
Yes, please, Mr.
Second
Jackson.
track, 2-191. Third track, 2-191. And it looks like I can't make this one out. Looks like it's an Xerox problem. What is it? I can't make it out.
Does it appear to be 2-1, Mr. Jackson, in the fourth track?
Yeah, but what's the year? Yeah, it looks like it to me.
Okay. And then the fifth track, is it also 2-1?
Looks like that.
And in the sixth track, is it also 2-1?
Yes.
So vocals. So, Mr. Jackson, did anyone else perform any vocals that appear on your Dangerous song, on your album Dangerous?
No.
You're the only one who recorded vocals, is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Did you write the lyrics to Dangerous, or did anyone assist in that process?
No, I wrote all the lyrics.
Okay, if you please refer to Plaintiff's Exhibit 97. Do you recognize this document, Mr. Jackson?
Copyright registration. I haven't seen it. I don't
Did you
think
see it during your deposition, Mr. Jackson?
I could have. I don't remember.
What is this copyright registration for?
Well, for the song Dangerous.
Okay. And if you move down to section 2, where it says the name of the author, who's listed first?
Michael Jackson.
And what is the nature of the authorship listed?
Excuse me, the exhibit speaks for itself. If the questions are about something beyond the exhibit, I object to.
Right.
It
What?
is, Your Honor.
But so far, they aren't.
Right.
As a matter of fact. If you'd like to ask a question that's beyond the exhibit, you may proceed to do so.
Mr. Bottrell, who's listed as the second author?
Bill Bottrell.
Is he credited with the nature of authorship for words and music?
Looks like it.
Did he write any of the words to Dangerous?
No, he did not.
He did not write any of the lyrics?
No.
And under the third author for Dangerous, who is listed?
Teddy Riley?
And he's also credited with the words and the music?
Yes.
Did he write any of the lyrics?
No.
So he did not write any of the words?
No.
Okay. Now, Mr. Jackson, I believe you stated that it was Bill Bottrell who took the earlier song. What was the name of that song?
Streetwalker.
Did you state that during your deposition?
I think I did. I'm not sure.
Mr. Jackson, did you state during your deposition?
Have his deposition?
Yes.
Well, if she wants him to. That's not the rule, Mr. Hoffman. The rule is to the contrary. But if she wants him to have his deposition, he's perfectly welcome to. How do you want to go about it, Ms. Everhart?
Not right. Not at this time,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
That's permissible.
Question. Okay.
Now, you've got to show it to counsel. The rule is that you have to tell counsel where you're referring to and give him a page and line number.
Deposition, page 19, line number 7. Question. Okay, so what was the name of the song that you wrote? Answer. I do not remember. Now, Mr. Jackson, did you remember the name of the song during your deposition?
What song?